I don't care. I want to be.
Okay, this is Brielle. Hi. And Lauren. They were just in the show and they wanted to say hi. These stars were in the show. You can barely see them. Yes.
What up? Good morning, fam. It's a great day. This morning I woke up and I took buckets outside into the snowy tundra. Then I enjoyed a nice glass cup bowl of Honey Nut Cheerios. And then I did the advent calendar. It was candy canes or stockings, I'm not sure. And now, Sweet Bear and I, we're headed out to the suburbs. We had a long drive in the snow.
These gloves. There's something about the gloves. What is it with you in socks and gloves?
Let's get going. I'm a beast.
So strong.
So strong. I'm even stronger. Well, actually, that one was really difficult this time. We've made it to the burbs. Buckets. Look at those little paw prints. So cute. You're deep in it. Where'd it go, dude?
This way.
Buckets.
Where's the ball? I was wearing that Star Wars sweater and everyone's complimenting me.
I'm going to play.
I've seen Star Wars.
I'm going to play basketball.
Okay.
So you need to take this over.
What do you think I've been doing?
I trust you.
Yeah, this conversation just happened. This is not authentic.
Oh, he called us out! He called us out!
DJ, you're not allowed on the vlog anymore.
How about DJ takes over the vlog? We'll blur you out every time.
I'm literally gonna blur you every time. Goodbye to you as well. Okay, here you go.
DJ, you look so angelic because the tree is like backlighting you. Okay, so we're both ready now. Looks so much better. John's on his way home. We are going to see a production of Elf that our friend Matt, who's been on the blog, directed it. And we're gonna go see it. It's gonna put us into Christmas spirit, right, Buckets? Buckets, do you have Christmas spirit? Bubba, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Do you have the Christmas spirit? Bobby.
High five. High five.
Give Mama a high five.
High five. Come on, high five. Down.
You're a good boy. You're such a good boy.
Alright, we are headed there now. Look at my dashing dad. Look at how handsome he is. Dashing through the dad. He is such a dashing dad. He looks so nice in his outfit. He looks great. He's a handsome dad. He's always been a handsome dad. Plus, I have a really pretty mom. And just look how pretty my mom is. Why? I thought it was pretty good.
Just say it wasn't your best performance.
What? First ball rude, second ball rude.
Hey team, I'm back from getting buckets. We're gonna leave for the show now, yeah? I was getting buckets today. Actually, my first game, I was getting some buckets. Second game, I played a mainly defensive role against my man. I was guarding the best guy on their team, shut him down. I took great pride in being a defensive player.
Cool, let's go.
All right, you ready to go? We're going to see a show. Blurring you out. Not really, Deej. Not with such a stylish cardigan. I want one of those.
Guess where it's from?
Like a really nice big cardigan. You got it from Last Chance, right?
You were there when I bought it.
I was there.
You dork. You dork. Let's elf it up.
Let's do it. best lighting we got in here? This is garbage. Oh, there we go. There. Oh. So, we're a little early to the show, so we made a pit stop for snacks. What'd you guys...
Cheat day, hoo-ha-ha!
DJ came to our car to eat. He's in the dark abyss. Upon his back.
What did I say at the drive-thru that made you laugh?
I don't know, what'd you say?
Can I get a McChicken with a Big Mac sauce?
Yeah, she said, can I get a McChicken with a Big Mac sauce? I always get a sausage, egg, cheese McGriddle. Because they're yum yum.
You are so weird.
And you get your McChicken with Big Mac sauce. That's a little hack I learned from Sweet Bear. That's a fry.
With a Big Mac sauce.
With a Big Mac sauce. We were ordered $12.74.
Don't tell him that.
That's a lot of orders.
Don't give him that.
That's a lot of orders in a day, is it not?
You don't know that. Could start at 1,000.
Well, wouldn't they start at 1 every day?
You don't know.
Has anyone ever worked at McDonald's? How does it work? Comment down below. See you at the shack.
I don't know if you're gonna know that.
All right, we're at the show. Matt got us some prime seats. Last row. Unbelievable.
He is the director, you'd think.
He's the fool right there.
That's him. Look at him.
Oh, so gross. You guys know Matt.
This is like giving me a double chin. Up angle.
Up angle, down angle, up angle. All right, we'll see you after the show. It's gonna be good. Mistletoeing and hearts moving, glowing when love most wonderful time.
Happy. All right, we are done with the show. Oh no!
No! Like to back and God said, let me wait.
Crazy. And we got some food with people after, and it was really fun. So we just went back to get buckets, and it is midnight, and we are driving home.
Classic Sunday.
Seems to be a
Classic
theme in our lives.
Sunday. I actually love this part of the
how about
week.
Wednesday?
Oh, we did this Wednesday too.
And I did it last night, driving home at midnight 40.
Midnight 40.
So I'm turning John into a late night owl.
Oh, we played top 5 at dinner.
Oh yeah, okay, so they played this fun game.
Well, you know where the game is?
No.
Has its origins, I believe. The game, it's called Top 5, and I believe it has its origins in a game that you would play when you say who are your top 5, as far as like who are your top 5 rappers.
Oh really?
And then top 5 has evolved from there. I believe it has its origin talking about rappers.
This is like
rap
the
artists.
shakiest camera. Please forgive us.
Oh.
Okay, so anyways, it's like top 5 things of your life.
Period. Not top 5 movies,
But
not top 5 rappers, but
you can't do family or friends
or Jesus.
or Jesus.
Because they're given, not because they don't belong there.
Yeah. So
Christ first in my life.
John's are really good. Mine are like, meh. So mine are Ice Chai, Netflix, French fries, Nordstrom, and what's my other one? Buckets.
Buckets.
Duh. Which I don't know if he counts as family, but they said I could do a dog. So John's are
Mine are Oscar movies, running, having an impact on someone, accomplishing something, and the last 5 minutes before I go to bed.
why?
Because in the last 5 minutes before I go to bed every night, it's just me, Sweet Bear, and Buckets is on the bed with us. And Buckets is usually crazy, and we spend like 5 minutes petting him and just kind of cuddling as a family, and it's just us in that moment, in that bed. And we're not really looking at our phones, we're not watching TV, it's just us usually laughing together. So I don't know if that counts as family, but it is definitely something I look forward to every day.
How sweet is that? Anyways, write down what your top 5 are in the comments.
Top
down
5,
below.
period.
Period. Okay, we are gonna head home and probably get some sleep. Do you want to end it here?
Yeah.
All right. Happy Sunday, everybody. We love you all. We'll
Keep
see you
being
tomorrow.
awesome.